Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will create the Capsule Corp logo, showing you the process from sketch until the final result. Three, two, one. Process starting. Let's create a new document. Make it 840 by 600 pixels and color mode RGB. Rename your document as the current project. To import your sketch, go to File and Place. Click and drag it, and set it in the middle of your canvas. Lower the opacity to 50%. Lock this layer and name it Background. Create a new layer. Select No Fill and change the stroke color to red. Let's use the Ellipse tool. Click and drag while holding Shift plus Command or Control to create a perfect circle. Press Command or Control R to open the rulers. Drag the guides according to your sketch. Select all guides, right-click on them and lock them in place. Make sure to have your Smart Guides active by going to View menu. Press Command or Control Y to enter outline mode. Drag the middle of the circle where the guides are intersecting. Copy circle using Command or Control plus C. And paste it in front using Shift and Command or Control plus V. Click and drag while holding Shift plus Option or Alt. Repeat the process according to your sketch. Well done. Select Pen tool. Click and drag. Press Shift and Command or Control plus A to deselect. Select Reflect tool. Click on the center while holding Option or Alt. Make sure to select Vertical and then choose Copy. Create a line and duplicate it by dragging while holding Shift and Option or Alt. The Smart Guides are helping you for a precise alignment. Hide the background layer for a better view. Right-click on your guides and unlock them. Delete them. Press Command or Control R to close the rulers. Select the Shape Builder tool. Swap the stroke with Fill and choose black. Click once to create the desired shapes. Select them and press Command or Control X to cut them from the artboard. Delete the remaining shapes and lines. Press Shift and Command or Control plus V to paste them back in place. Deselect the stroke. So far, so good. Go to outline mode to have a better view. Change color to white. Select Arrange, and send to back. Repeat. Now select the shape and go to Offset Path. Change color to white. Move the shape in the same direction by dragging it while holding Shift. Select everything and group them. Select it and ungroup. Change the color using this code. Add a stroke and choose a line to inside. Now let's create the logotype. Select Text tool. Type your desired text. I choose an appropriate font to the original logotype. Now go to Effect menu, and choose Warp, then Arc. Apply this settings. Select your text and turn it into a shape by expanding it. Select both shapes and click the one underneath to align the logotype to it. Make small adjustments if needed. Select them while holding Shift. Offset path for this two shapes. Set joins to round. Click and drag to select everything. Group it and make a copy on the side in case you need to make adjustments later on. Select everything and expand. Now open Pathfinder and select Merge. Make this layer visible and unlock it. Delete your sketch. Select Rectangle tool and drag the shape across the whole artboard. Change it to the desired color. Project complete. Congratulations! If you made it until here, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications bell so we can meet again. Thank you and see you around.